I love the East Coast curse. You wake up at 4 or 4:30 every morning and you get outside before anybody else is out in the city. San Francisco is one of my favorite cities, but I know everybody says that. I feel very fortunate that my job gets me out to San Francisco a few times a year, and I've gotten to know the city extremely well. I want to thank you for joining me this trip. I'd love for you to leave your comments down below. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.